Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be answering a question from one of my students. And if you've made it to this video but haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. The question from this student is as follows. They have already designed all the details and they've also specified the name of the part, the quantity, and the type of fabric. All of that is complete. But why is it that when they lay out the pattern, some parts are missing? Specifically in this case, the pattern is missing the front body piece. I'll try laying out the pattern to see if I encounter the same missing part as they did. I'll try laying out this pattern. I'll turn off this PDS. Let me try laying out the pattern. Now I'll try laying it out using the main fabric. Alright, the quantity is just 1. It's also missing the front body piece, everyone. So, according to you, do you know why the front body piece is missing like this? Please leave your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Now, I will share my knowledge with you. First, you will begin by opening this PDS file. Then you will carefully perform a left click on each of these pieces and thoroughly review the information displayed in the piece property section. Please check to see if the quantity, piece name, fabric type, and style set name have all been entered correctly into the system. Additionally, you should look down at the markers section below. Take a close look at the line that says Exclude in markers. You will need to manually select each of these individual pieces. If you click on any piece and this line is currently selected and checked in this specific menu, then that piece will be automatically prevented from appearing in the marker layout. This is because the specific meaning of this line is to exclude that piece from the marker layout entirely. Therefore, when you encounter a situation where some pieces are missing, you should check whether you have checked this box or not. Or if in your product code you want certain pieces not to be included in the marker layout, you should check this box. Then, when you create the marker layout later, those pieces will not be included for you. That's it. And now I will uncheck this box and save it. I will create the marker layout again for you to see. I will open this new page. Alright, now I will open it again. Select style set here, choose the fabric type. Okay, I will just create the marker for one product. Okay. There you can immediately see that the front body piece is now here. That's it. And now all the details are complete. See, the front body piece is right here, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye and see you next time.